Confidence is an attractive trait that many guys appreciate in women, which is why they often want the girl to make the first move. However, it can be challenging for a female friend to take this non-traditional approach. Consider if you truly want a romantic relationship, as it can alter your friendship dynamic. To increase your chances, make yourself available by not spending too much time with other girls, and subtly mentioning that you're single. Create opportunities for romantic situations by doing simple activities together. To show your interest, flirt in a playful manner and look for signs of her reciprocating. However, be aware of signs that she may not be interested and be prepared to stop pursuing a romantic relationship. Be open and honest, sharing your feelings to a certain extent. Encourage her by flirting back, teasing gently, and mirroring her body language. Let things progress naturally and be patient. If you can't pursue the relationship, distract yourself with new activities and focus on personal growth. Always respect her as an individual with her own thoughts and feelings, and don't be upset if she's interested in someone else. Be a good friend and maintain an authentic friendship. Ultimately, if she doesn't make a move, it could be due to shyness, the belief that it's your role to make the first move, or a lack of interest in a potential relationship.